Who doesn't love seeing their apps and AI agents change the world? That's why so many organizations choose OutSystems. Our AI-powered low-code development platform helps accelerate ideas from concept to completion, because OutSystems is all about outcomes. For example, in the world of finance, a top US bank built apps for their customers to easily open new accounts on any device, improving the employee and customer experience. Or at one of the world's largest breweries, our platform helped automate thousands of tasks to clear bottlenecks, making development faster, so the company can devote resources to other critical projects. Meanwhile, in the insurance industry, we helped a leading global insurer accelerate development of a portal for their employees, giving insurance agents a better understanding of their customers to grow policy sales. Across industries and across the globe, OutSystems makes it possible for enterprises to dream, deploy, and deliver.